How you doing, guys? Let's take a look at this morning's morning move. We were looking for short side trades, in fact, this morning. We're looking to short the NASDAQ. We're looking to short the Dow. We could have shorted the DAX, but the volatility was just so big. 200-point swings on a 2-minute chart on the DAX. I mean, if I was doing my normal £10 a point in my spread betting account, I would have been down £2,000 if it had gone against me. So avoided the DAX. So we shorted the NASDAQ here on this move to the downside, which was really nice. We were looking for short side trade. Same signal on the Dow as well. The Dow got in the trade to the short side a little bit later than normal. In fact, let's just look at the account, guys. So £780 banked this morning before 8:41. Come on, that's all we want. We want to be done before 9 a.m. with the morning move, all right? So morning move, job done. Do whatever we want for the rest of the day, okay? 9 a.m. cut off. So 367, 193 on the Dow and another 35 there. But I'll talk about the gold trade in 1 second. But really, it was just very simple color method to the downside. We were looking for shorts. It rolled over and then it just dropped. Got out on green, in on red. Get out on green, get out on red, get in on red. Out on green, in on red, out on green, in on red, and now we're just in the doldrums. This whole area from 9 to where we are now. You know, nice profits here, but doldrums. Don't want to be trading them. We want to be done before 9 a.m. Now, I didn't take any of these ones here to the short side. If you're a parent and you're in England, you know that it's school half term, and all I am in school half term is a taxi driver. I trade the morning move. And I'm not a taxi driver. I'm a taxi to my kids, taking them to clubs from 9 a.m. onwards in the school holidays. So I didn't take this. I could have made so much more money. Do I regret it? No, not at all. But anyway, it was a nice move all day. So we got nice 780 odd quid. And then, as I said, the NASDAQ was easy down as well. Now, the gold trade is a little bit different. Before I go on to the gold, if you don't understand the color method, what I'm doing is if you don't know my backstory on this, is that when I traded with normal charts, I just got in and out of trades far too late. But the color method, I know that if it turns green, turns red, sellers are in control. I'm going to be shorting, and buyers step in when it turns green. Okay, so I want to exit. So I just use the colors to get into the trade, and it works for us fantastically. And so I know exactly where to enter and where to exit. And the Dow Jones here, all right, a little bit late, but I'm on the red side. Probability is on my side, and it just flushes down. I'd be shorting here, here, and here, okay? But I didn't take these, as I said. So I'll be shorting here, 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 and here, here. Now, if I was looking for long trades this morning, then I'll be looking for green dots on the tracks, green pro trend system. But I wasn't. I'm shorting the markets for day trades this morning on the morning move. All right. Now, the gold market is a little bit different in here. The gold is, I'm sort of going for that swing, aren't I? I went short £30 a point. I've sold half alongside our rest of our students in the chat room this morning as well. We banked half profits. This red arrow here is all part of the color method. It's called the trend predictor. When it's red arrow, red, short, I'm looking for a down move on the next candlestick. So what I've done on this, a bit different on the tactics here. I've gone short £30 a point. I've sold half at £15 a point, banked some profits on that to make me feel good. And I've got my stop to break even. And now I'm going for a bigger move. Because when it's red arrow on the trend predictor, we're looking for down days the next several days. So we could be down here the next several days in gold. And why not? Let's get our stop to break even so we can't lose any money. And then just try and go for a runner. But keeping it simple, look, you don't need to know that, but keeping it simple, you know, the morning move is just very straightforward. Color change method in the times where there's most volatility here in London. And we're going for that quick profits to get done and over and done with for the rest of the day. There's a description. In the description, guys, there is a link to speak to Chris. If you want to trade with me, I mean, I've been doing this over 20 years now. If you want to trade with me in the morning move using the color method, speak to Chris, get on the program, see if you're a right fit for us, and you know, you can just come and watch me trade the morning move each week. All right, so come and join us, and you know, grab some profits and be done by 9 o'clock each morning. Hope it helps. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will speak to you soon, and take care, everyone. Bye bye now.